everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a packing video. It's been such a long time that I have done a packing video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Fawn design mini tote bag. It's so cute, and I'm in love with it, and I love it in this color. It's in the walnut color. Now you won't be able to find this color on the website, but if you look on BST pages, I'm pretty sure you will find one. That's where I found mine. I do want to say that I haven't actually used it going out, so I can't give an actual review on it, but I have it packed up to how I would be using it if it was just for my younger baby who is now 1 year old. So super minimalistic bag. You can use this as a regular purse, but I really wanted to share with you guys how I would pack it for a younger toddler. Without further ado, let's just jump right in. So to start off with, it does come with this crossbody strap. It is adjustable, but for the packing portion, so you can see the bag a little bit better, I will take this off. With the stuff that I have inside of it, you could zip it up. I will show you guys that just so you can see that it is still zippable. Now if you were to stuff it up a little bit more, I don't think you would zip it up, but the way I have it packed up, it's pretty full. I like it because once you open it, the zipper does lay flat. You can really see what is inside. Now it does come with this little strap here. You can use it for your keys, as I am using it right now, or you can attach this to one of the D-rings on here, and you could attach this on there, and then you can kind of use it as a little key leash, which is awesome. My keys, I just have my wallet. This is awesome quality. I love it. I actually got it off of Amazon for only $5, and I really like it because I don't really hold a lot of stuff. And then I also have my LO straw case, and in here I just have a silicone straw, which is super neat. I really like it. You can get these at Target. So next I'm just going to pull out these Clorox wipes. Pretty good package, you know. Lately with everything going on, you want to sanitize everything. On this side, replay sippy cup. I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but you have the 2 D-rings right in here, so they do fall inside so they don't peek out from the top, which I think makes it a super sleek design. Right down here also I have a hand sanitizer spray. Then in here I have a large set piece, and in here would be my diapering needs. In here I have a baby bum coat case, which is really sturdy, and then I have 2 size 4 diapers, and then I have an itsy bitsy changing mat. This is actually from their mini diaper bag, so all that fits in here. And then on the very bottom, a romper for a change of clothes, and then I have a jujube wet bag. Love this wet bag because it folds super slim. As you can see, there are no other external pockets except for the zipper pocket right here, and in there a Bumpkins bib. These are one of my favorite bibs because if you take this on the go, they fold super duper small. I mean, come on, look at how small that is, and it's a pretty good size for a bib. I have a jujube coin purse, and in here I just have lip products and some hair ties for myself. I have a Sensible Mama pen jet. I have some Dramamine. I have this sippy cup leash because you just never know when they're gonna toss the sippy cup out on the side. And then I have some hand lotion. So this is everything that I had inside the little mini tote. It does hold a significant amount of stuff. Of course, very minimalistic, but regardless, I feel like I have all the essentials that I'll need. Granted, I was missing some snack bags, but besides that, I can pretty much fit everything that I feel like I would need. As my signature packing videos have, let's just repack this little guy back up. So that is it for this packing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you found it helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them down in the comments below. Let me know what other bag you are interested in seeing packing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box to find any of the things that you are looking for. They are affiliate links, and those links will help me continue producing content for you guys. So I hope you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you for my next one. Bye guys.